Hello friend, I hope you are doing well. In our previous video, we have to shown how to handle the Ajax request. Like look at this. This is a active and inactive. This process will be done. This is our developer. This is our a live project, and here look at this all instructor. Here is the four instructor and active instructor will be three, and look at that, this is the active instructor three. So this type of mechanism will be need to be created. So better go to here and just begin here. And actually we are not make a function yet, so go to our VS code. It will be show this error. So VS code, and we will. This is VS Code. Lots of file in here. Better just remove a couple of file. And this is our controller, and we will be work at controller. Because of that, we have already created a function like instructor active. So better just make a function and utilize it. So better public function instruct instructor active. It will be request. So dollar active active so in a structure user. This is the model actually. We just make a query here where status will be the one. Better just quotation here. Pick up. Not neither status equal to one. Okay, fine. Where it should also once again the role will be the structure, and obviously get the some latest and just get fine. And now backend dot admin dot structure dot active. Yeah, so active. Better active instructor will be need to be passed actually the compact. That's okay. And active underscore instructor. Okay, just go to the active instructor. Actually, this is the active plate, and not to file will be here. So here are the index plate, and look at this is the pass in the breadcrumb for category, not instructor instructors manage instructors. Fine, all instructor. And not needed. Instructor is not admin created, so better just remove it. Fine. So better just make it copy and just paste in here. Active instructor. Great. Okay, this is a better say anchor tag. It will be help. I hope. Yeah. Put some route actually back route. It will be the bottom class btn btn primary submitters back. I hope this here and just paste in also in here also it will be fine. Let's back or not back. Is it required or not? I just check it. Is go to the VS Code. Sorry, go to the browser and here just put reload. Active instructor. Look at it, and once again is a make error for typo. This admist controller instructor. What instructor? Just put here. Undefined variable compact active underscore instructor. What? Compact undefined variable active. No, yeah, this is a spelling mistake. Oh shit. So also makes error, I hope. And also here just make active instructors and also pass active instructors admin and just keep reload. See, error will be all instructors, not active instructors. Oh, once again, just back. Actually, problem is in here, friend. So back and actually active instructors. Just keep reload and look at this. Let's see what's happening here and here. The image and shows this and everything. Just check is it work or not, and yes, inactive and but it's not go. I just want to redirect all instructor. Okay, yeah, I just show this. I just want when inactive, it's just go to the reload. Actually, this is world.fire and so in the location of reload actually. Let's check it. It's admin instructor controller return view backend instructor active is fine. Window location of reload. What happened? Just check it, okay? And just now keep reload. And look at that. Here is not, but all instructor goes to all instructor. And here is instructor is just go to the active. Okay, fine. Just now active instructor. And now this is this inactive. And yeah, the space is missing. It's nearly done. And now go to our, actually I just make active. Actually go to our instructor dashboard and put some of the following condition. It's easy, not so much difficult. So go to our VS Code. Now first I will make a global function. This global function will manage uh, actually the condition. May this just put up just here is a simple approve user. Approve user is a function where role instructor and status is equal to 1. Actually this function will manage the active instructor actually and following the criteria. This user, what the hell, so literally, and this model, and just support facade auth, and yeah, better. And yeah, places it. That's a perfect. So just grab the user ID and this return. This is a active instructor. Okay, there's nothing. So initially go to the instructor index. We just move it. This is the admin. We just move the instructor, and this is a dashboard, and this is a dashboard index. So dashboard index. We just make a div actually. We just put into the content before the content. Just you did look at the function is not approved user, and just get the alert. I just show you. I just make you put some function, and you will be understand. Just keep focus this logic. There. Here's the dashboard, and also condition apply to the sidebar. Just here. Uh, okay, here is a sidebar. This sidebar is comes from the instructor sidebar, and just here only dashboard, and this the here is the function will be applied. Just I give a small condition here, just here, and just end it. Perfect. Just check it. Go to the browser. Here, this is our instructor dashboard. Just keep this reload, and this is nothing to happen because there's not already any static data will be shown in here, because this instructor will be the active. And now if admin make inactive, and you will be see what will be the change. The sidebar condition will be applied, and all of this will be applied, and this notification will be showing here. Just go to the admin dashboard, and now here is our admin dashboard. Just keep reload, and here this is active. Okay, just got keep inactive, and now this scenario will be changed. And now keep reload. Look at this. The notification will be showing here, and also sidebar will be gone. And this one issue we already the authentication part will be completed, but here is not update for header. So go to VS Code, and here is to go to the header, and this the header is I will be sure that this static data will be shown in here. Where is here? Notification, my god. And this is the here. So better we just put auth user, and just name will become, and here and it should be the role. Now also make this is the image, and image will be the always static, so we don't want it, and just put it here. There's nothing. Is what user photo is the photo will be stored in the database, then photos, otherwise the static image. This friend, if you previously I will be showing how to manage if is condition, so better just give more spaces, and you will be easy to understand, and all the source code you will be gain after description. So better this part will be need to be copy and put in admin header. Actually admin, maybe this header, I just check it. Here will be the condition will be applied in the admin, but it was not applied for. So what will I do now? This is the ref with a. This is the ref with a better. I just put in here is similar things. Nothing. And just check it. Browser. Go to the browser now, and this instructor and shows. Is this the instructor user? And instructor just got and this profile instructor users not, and so Josh Pritila is a famous content uploader. And here I will profile upload successfully. Here is the name will be changed, and this is the change, and each and everything will be completed. And please inform me how your tutorial is going on. Actually, if you guys is understand or not, and also what if you face any what kinds of problem, please put up your comment, valuable comment. And I just try to respond as the quick time, because of that I just start off my YouTube journey. Particularly this is the first time this tutorial I will make, and it's could be there little bit of mistake or just pardon of me. And thanks for watching of my video. And if you like this video, please give the like and also subscribe of my channel. For your small contribution makes some motivate actually for creating a new video, because it's very challenging for to manage the time, and lots of time is needed because I'm full time. I have a full time job, so it's really tough. So please some help and support to grow up my channel. And also if you need for also of the source code of this project, you just contact with me for every details. I will be showing the comment box. Okay, thank you so much.